Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is How Do YouTubers Make Money? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, for those who are new to the channel, please click on my face to subscribe or the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications to make sure you don't miss a video from me. And if you get value out of this video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, YouTubers and money. How do YouTubers make money? There are a lot of misconceptions around this subject, so I'm just going to explain those in this short video. A lot of people think that you get paid by, and we're talking primarily about YouTube AdSense in this video. A lot of people think that you get paid by the number of subscribers you have. So I have 3,500 subscribers. And then let's go to PewDiePie. Okay, PewDiePie, if you don't know, is probably the most subscribed individual on YouTube. There's a company called T-Series based in India, who are an Indian production company, make entertainment videos, probably have the largest channel. There was let's say a fake battle between the two to see who could get to 100 million first. And T-Series are still doing well, but PewDiePie is the most subscribed individual. So he derives his money not from the amount of subscribers he has, and other people who realize it's not necessarily the number of subscribers think that you get paid by the number of views, and views are part of the answer. So I'm looking at PewDiePie's numbers here, and they're amazing. Obviously 3.7 million for a video uploaded just one day ago, and then 9.4 million for a video uploaded 3 weeks ago. But it's not necessarily the views, it's the ads that are around your video views. So when you have a video and you have an ad before it, an ad during the video, and an ad after the video, those ads are how YouTubers make money, because YouTube is a business and advertisers will pay YouTube to advertise around popular channels. And these popular channels, they don't always have to have as many subscribers or be as large as PewDiePie's channels. Any monetized channel can earn income from having ads around its videos. So it's watching the ads, and the ads, the consumption or the viewership of the ads that derives the money for the YouTubers, for YouTube, and then for the YouTubers. YouTube receives an amount of money from the advertisers and then splits that with the content creator that the ad appeared on. So PewDiePie makes, and this is not anything that's secret, I think he's mentioned this before, several, I think it's maybe still single-digit $1 million, or I think it's actually pounds per year from advertising on YouTube. That's advertising that appears on his channel. For other content creators, including myself, let's go back. I can earn income by the ads around my videos. So obviously, I've not got the subscriber level that PewDiePie has, and very few have. But when you watch the ads around my videos, I'll be able to earn a little bit of income from YouTube, because YouTube will sell that advertising space to advertisers. Mine is a business channel, content marketing, business and life, in case you didn't know, in case you're new to the channel. And so advertisers who are wanting to contact consumers and business owners in those sectors will use my channel, because they're the people that are watching my videos. So that's how YouTubers make money. It's not by the number of subscribers. It's not just by the views alone, because if you had 1 million views and nobody watched ads, you wouldn't make any money from that video. It's from the ads that are surrounding your content. So I hope that's useful. There are a number of people who've asked me how the YouTubers actually make money. When they're making money via AdSense, that's how they do it, by the ads that are consumed on the videos, around the videos on your channel. There is another way of making money, and that's through brand deals. Brand deals is a separate topic, and I'll cover that in another video. I hope this short video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, click on my face to subscribe, and click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.